I'm super excited to put together this Reibii 5-tier shelf. It's the industrial type look and it does hold a decent amount of weight on it. So it's gonna be perfect for a garage. It's gonna be plenty of storage for everything we need, and let's unbox it.
I love that it came with easy to follow along with instructions. It made putting the shelf together even easier than I thought it was going to be. From start to finish, it took about an hour to put the shelving unit together. It came with gloves and all of the tools that I needed to put the shelf together. It even came with this hammer to make sure that everything was in nice and tight and properly. I love that you have the option to make two separate shelves, or you could make one tall shelf. I chose to do one tall shelf, but you could add on shelves to the sides of this and make it even bigger if you really wanted to. There's also the option to anchor it to the wall. This is very sturdy, and I didn't even use the anchor to the wall option. I was able to fit all of our oversupply from Costco right onto there, even additional room for my husband's lunchbox. I definitely would recommend this, and I think we're going to get a couple more.